Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the spray arm in a KitchenAid dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new spray arm. The spray arm washes objects in a lower dish rack. The main reasons why the spray arm would need to be replaced is if it breaks off the base or cracks and stops turning, causing some dishes not to get washed. Let's open the door. Just pull it open. And then we're going to pull out the lower dish rack and remove it completely. Reach in and turn the base of the spray arm counterclockwise to free it, and then lift it off. This is the old spray arm next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Bring in a new spray arm, and then we're going to install the base on the top here and turn it clockwise to lock. Install and slide in the lower dish rack. Now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.